It's Monday, June 22nd, 2020. My name is Jewel, and this is the Severe Weather Outlook with J7409 Weather. Thank you so much for clicking play and checking out severe weather that may be possible across the lower 48 with me today. Severe weather. Yes, we're going to have some more. Boy, we had some yesterday, as I pointed out. It's looking like isolated to scattered severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds and large hail is going to be possible again today across parts of the southern plains into the lower mid-Mississippi Valley. Other strong to severe storms may also occur over portions of the Central Plains, Midwest, Southeast, Mid-Atlantic, and South Florida. And I'm going to show you all about it in just a moment. But I'd like to stress out some of these areas. When we come to the Southern Plains, it's looking like there is this chance that's remaining of considerable uncertainty regarding the evolution location of an outflow boundary by late afternoon and early evening. But most of the guidance suggests it should be located somewhere in the vicinity of north central Texas towards the Arkansas, Louisiana, Texas area. Now, it's looking like the really bad storms has lessened a little because of a weak cold front near Kansas and Oklahoma's borders. But, however, there's still a 15% chance of severe hail and wind that looks like they may be adjusted a little bit to the southward area. Now, the greatest convection in these areas is looking like by mid-late afternoon, it's across the higher terrain of eastern New Mexico into Texas and the Oklahoma panhandles. And there is some signal for some clustering upscale growth of this activity across the southern high plains through this evening. Looking like severe wind threat will be the most that you get out of these, okay? But you could have some severe winds this afternoon and evening. And it's looking like the hail and all of that won't materialize for you at this time. But be prepared in case it does. Moving to the mid-upper Mississippi Valley into the Midwest and the Great Lakes, storms should redevelop in a somewhat favorable environment. Now, multi-cell clusters, they're bad, folks, you know this, capable of producing both damaging winds and large hail is looking like it's very possible. Now, for the lower Mississippi Valley, it's looking like this. Afternoon and early evening storms can organize, and the latest guidance has increased overall convective coverage across this area, with at least scattered storms possible. Mainly isolated damaging wind threat could materialize with this activity as it spreads east-northeastward through early evening. For the Central Plains, isolated storm development is very possible. Okay? Looking like this cold front I talk about from far eastern South Dakota into parts of central eastern Nebraska for this afternoon. Now, isolated instances of marginally severe hail and strong to severe wind gusts are possible with any of these storms that form in this region in the Central Plains. As we move to the Mid-Atlantic, these storms should increase in coverage and intensity this afternoon. Strong to locally damaging winds should be the main threat, although we could have some marginally severe hail. It can't be ruled out. And in South Florida, a few storms capable of producing isolated strong gusty winds and perhaps maybe some hail. It should develop by peak afternoon heating hours across parts of Florida. When it comes to the tornado threat, that's looking pretty good for everybody today. It's less than 2%. And these severe winds that I've told you, here they are right here. New Mexico, a large portion of Texas, a little bit of northwestern Louisiana, moving up into Arkansas and of course the panhandle of Oklahoma moving down southward. And when it comes to that severe hail, it's in the very same area. Could be large hail, folks. Be aware. Be aware. Anywhere in this 5% area, we could see a little hail coming up, as I've just told you. And that's a check of your severe weather and where it may occur today. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that bell and check off all. I would appreciate it greatly. May each of you have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. I love you all. Thanks for everything you do for me. Peace, love, and kindness to each of you. Thanks for watching.